We started implants how many years ago?
2018.
2018, and we opted for the snap-on dentures. How have those been for you over the last 6 years?
Irritating.
Irritating. In what way?
Well, they just didn't stay put like
you were hoping.
Right.
Yeah. And that's kind of why we've stopped doing most of them, except for the 2 implant snaps on the bottom. We just barely screwed in the fixed teeth. Well, let's go ahead and show you how good your smile looks, okay, with the new set. What do you think?
My lips numb.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like it.
Looks pretty nice, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So, and these are the first kind of temporary sets. We'll be able to dial everything in, but the bite was really good. Smile for me. And to me, the midline's looking really good. So I think we're on our way to being able to finish this pretty quickly, since your implants have been in there, longer than most people. So congratulations on the upgrade.
All right.
And no more big pieces of plastic.